It's midnight. You can't sleep. You're scrolling YouTube, thumb moving automatically, not really looking for anything, and then one video stops you cold. A 3D documentary, cinematic, immersive, feels like a Netflix production. You check the channel. 129 videos, 5.06 million subscribers, 540 million total views, 5.4 million views. In just the last 7 days. One channel, one person, armchair documentaries. You sit up. One thought hits you. If someone is building this kind of audience with documentary videos, why can't I? You open your laptop, you start searching for how to create 3D documentary videos, and what you find stops you immediately. Every tutorial assumes you already know how to design characters, how to animate them, how to use software that takes months to learn. Step after complicated step, none of it built for someone just starting out. You close the laptop, that channel just gained another 5 million views while you're still at 0. I know that feeling exactly, because I was sitting in the same place until I found one tool and one workflow that creates complete 3D documentary videos. No character design skills, no animation experience, no complicated software. Just one tool, one workflow, and a system that works from your very first video. Let me show you exactly how. But before we dive into the workflow, let's look at what we're actually building. A 3D animated documentary. Topic, how a US Navy SEAL team found and eliminated the most wanted person on Earth. Cinematic, immersive, the kind of video that stops a scroll at midnight. Let's preview the final result first.
38 minutes into the flight, the target compound appeared. White walls stark against the dark Pakistani landscape. The descent began. Then the first plan failed. One helicopter, caught in a vortex above the compound walls, struck the perimeter hard and settled at an angle. No casualties. The operators dismounted immediately and moved into the courtyard. Moving. Explosive charges breached the outer gate. The team advanced through the smoke with controlled urgency, night vision painting the world in green. The guest house was cleared first. Inside, armed resistance was encountered and neutralized. The team moved to the main building and began their ascent, floor by floor, room by room. The stairwell was narrow, the walls close. Each step upward compressed the world further. On the upper landing, a woman moved toward the operators. She was incapacitated. The advance continued.
Floor, target area.
At the top of the stairs, a single closed door at the end of a dark corridor. Behind it, according to months of accumulated intelligence, the primary objective. The door was breached. Go! Inside the room, the objective was located and the mission completed in seconds.
Now, let's build it. Step 1, visit TopView.ai. Link is in the description below. Sign up, log in. But before we start, I want to be clear about something. TopView Canvas is not just another AI video generator. Most AI tools give you one clip, one output, one and done. Canvas is different. It's a complete AI creative workspace. You bring one idea, a story, a topic, a product, a script, and Canvas helps you plan it, generate it, organize it, and reuse the entire workflow again next time. That's what we're going to do today. One idea, one workspace, a complete 3D documentary, start to finish. The first thing you'll see is the TopView Video Agent Canvas. This one tool handles everything: marketing videos, short films, video clones. And what we're doing today, cinematic 3D documentary. Now, paste the prompt into the prompt box. You can pause the video here and read the full prompt structure. Take your time. Next, choose your video model and your agent model. For this tutorial, I'm going with Seedance 2.0 and Qwen 3.7 Max. Hit send, a new canvas opens. You'll see the prompt already pre-filled in the prompt box. Hit send one more time, and now watch what happens. The TopView Video Agent doesn't just start generating, it thinks. It analyzes everything you gave it, and then it does something remarkable. It builds a complete story direction craft in 5 stages. Stage 1, the briefing. Stage 2, approach and insertion. Stage 3, breach and clearing. Stage 4, the final confirmation. Stage 5, extraction, 5 stages. Each one a chapter in your documentary, each one planned before a single frame is generated, but it doesn't stop there. Next, the agent drafts the rhythm and mood for your entire video. Overall rhythm, key moments to magnify, mood and tone baseline, camera as felt intent, every cinematic decision made automatically, then it handles duration, then character locking, lead seal operator, teammate alpha, teammate bravo, CIA briefing officer. Every character defined, locked, consistent. Then it designs the complete audio layer, every element of your documentary planned, every decision handled. And then it stops and asks you one question. Does this match your vision? Review the story direction, read through every stage, and when everything looks right, type one word. Okay, and the real magic begins. The agent now builds something critical, a style card, one locked visual identity, applied across every single frame of your documentary, same lighting, same color grade, same stylized 3D aesthetic from the first scene to the last. Within seconds, the style card is ready. Review it carefully. Make sure the aesthetic matches what you had in mind. When everything looks right, type one word in the prompt box. Proceed. And now, asset creation begins. Every character, every environment, every object your documentary needs. Built, one by one, automatically. Watch what gets created. Helicopter pilot, CIA briefing room, MH-60 Black Hawk interior, Abbottabad compound exterior, compound stairwell and interior, lead seal operator, teammate alpha, teammate bravo, CIA briefing officer, HK4W16 assault rifle, night vision goggles, plate carrier tactical vests. Every asset prompted, generated, locked. Within seconds, all of them ready. This is your entire production library, built in minutes. Now, before we move forward, Canvas asks you something important. Do you want to save this creative process as a reusable skill? Say yes. One click, and this entire workflow is saved. Next time you want to create a documentary on a completely different topic, you don't start from scratch. You load the skill, change the topic, and Canvas already knows exactly what to do. The more you use it, the faster you create. Next, the agent asks one more question. Shall I continue building scene cards for all 5 stages? Type one word. Yes, and it begins constructing every scene, using every asset it just created. Same characters, same environments, same locked visual identity, 100% consistency across every single scene. For our documentary, 22 scene cards. Every moment of the story mapped, every visual planned. Now the agent asks its final question. Shall I generate video clips for all 22 scenes? Yes, and it starts, scene by scene, one after another. Each time it finishes a batch, tell it to continue. Keep going until all 22 video clips are ready. Once every scene is complete, one final instruction, ask it to generate the narration voiceover for the complete documentary. And here's something most people don't realize Canvas can do. It doesn't just generate a voiceover. It automatically detects when a character's speaking voice should stay consistent across different scenes. It extracts the audio from a scene where that character's already speaking, binds that voice to the character, and uses the same voice in every future scene that character appears in. No manual setup, no recording the same voice twice, the same character, the same voice, every single scene. Automatically, everything you need is now ready. Download every video clip, download the voiceover, open your favorite video editor, import everything, drag the voiceover onto the timeline first, then place every video clip in sequence, sync the visuals to the narration, minor adjustments, 10 minutes maximum, do a final preview. The full video is linked in the description below. Go watch the complete results. Now here's what I want you to think about. That channel you saw at midnight, 5.06 million subscribers, 540 million views, 5.4 million views in just the last 7 days. They started exactly where you are right now. The only difference, they had a workflow. Now you have the same one. If you're serious about building a career as a 3D documentary creator in 2026, sign up to TopView AI today. The link is in the description. Follow every step in this tutorial, and your next video has every reason to cross 1 million views. If this helped you, hit the like button right now. Small creators like me run entirely on your support. Subscribe if you haven't already. One more thing before you go. Seedance 2.0 Mini is now live on TopView. If you want faster generations for your everyday content, this is the option for you. Fast, affordable, built for creators who are producing content consistently. And if you go ultra annual, you get 365 days of unlimited use. For even faster results, you can switch to credit mode. The link is in the description, and if you want to see how a simple stickman video is crossing millions of views using nothing but free AI tools, you cannot afford to miss the video above. See you inside.